How to buy and sell on the Kucoin app. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with buying and selling on the Kucoin application. So let's get into it. Now to get started with buying and selling on the Kucoin application, first just head on over to your App Store or to your Google Play Store and search for Kucoin over here. Just search for Kucoin. So make sure you're downloading the Kucoin application, which is the marketplace, not the wallet application. Although the Kucoin wallet is amazing, but we are focusing on the actual exchange application. So you're going to download this one over here and simply click on open, or just once you have downloaded, open it up. Now, there are a couple of steps you need to do to get started with Kucoin. First off, you need to register and create your account. Now, I have already registered and created my account. If you have not, simply click on the top left over here and you will find a login button where my email is appearing. You will just click on login, and then on the top right you will find a sign up button. So you will just click on sign up, enter a valid email address, and then put in a suitable password that you want for your Kucoin account. And then you will need to complete identity verification. So you can see it says verified on the top of my screen. This is because I have completed ID verification. You need to verify your identity card. So you can do this with a ID card, a driver's license, or a passport, whatever you have at hand. And you have to show, post a picture of that, a front and back picture, and then you have to verify that that is you with your own facial picture. So those are a couple of steps you will have to do. I do have a separate video on how to get started and register on Kucoin, so check that out if you don't know how, if you can't find those buttons. But once you have registered, you can begin buying and selling on Kucoin. Now, by buying and selling, there can be so many different meanings. So there are a couple of ways you can buy and sell on Kucoin. First off, we have the traditional purchasing crypto or fiat directly from your credit or debit card. So for that, just head on over to your home page. On the bottom, just click on home, then click on deposit on the top left over here. And you have two options. You can choose to deposit crypto directly. So if you are holding crypto in any other wallet and you want to transfer it into Kucoin, all you do is simply select the token that you want to deposit. Let's say I have Ethereum in my MetaMask wallet. So I would click on Ethereum over here, and then I would click on the Ethereum wallet address, and then I would simply copy this address from over here, and I would enter it into my MetaMask wallet, where I will just simply click on send and enter this wallet address, and then I will receive crypto or Ethereum in my wallet directly on Kucoin. Now, the second application, or the second way we can purchase crypto, is simply by going into fiat over here, and you can choose any fiat that you want. We are going to continue with US dollars, and then you're going to find different payment methods. Usually it's bank transfers and credit and debit card options. Depending on where you are, you will get different or variable options for depositing the fiat of your choice. So you have multiple different options into depositing fiat as well. You can choose a bunch of different currencies and you get multiple different options that you can choose from. Usually it's bank transfers, credit, debit cards, or you also have third-party payment applications like Banxa and Simplex as well. So you can choose to purchase fiat via that. Now, once you have purchased fiat, what you're going to head on over and do is simply click on convert over here. You can see it's on the bottom, on the second row from here on the top applications. It's on the second row at the second last. We have convert. So you will simply click on convert, and then on the top you will select the fiat that you have purchased. So let's say you purchased USDT. They have a 1-to-1 ratio with USD, and then you can convert it to any token of your choice. So you can select the token from over here and then convert that into the token that you want to purchase. Now, next up, there are some other ways that you can purchase crypto as well. So if we open up the entire section from over here, you can see that you have deposit and you also have bank cards. So you can go on ahead and use Banxa, Simplex, BTC Direct, or Legend Trading to begin purchasing USDC as well. So you can simply enter the amount of USD you want to spend. Let's say it's $200 or $50, and then you will simply use your Visa or MasterCard to continue with your payment channel. These are the different conversions that we're getting. So for 50 USD, we are getting 45.42 USDC with the Banxa payment, and with Simplex, it's a little lower. You can choose a different fiat as you wish as well, and you also can directly purchase a crypto token with third-party payment applications. These are especially helpful helpful if you are in a area where you're not getting direct bank transfer options. So for those people, third-party payment options can be a simpler choice to continue purchasing tokens on different marketplaces and exchanges. Now, other than that, you also have some selling options. So how can you sell with crypto? And there are other options to buy as well, such as person-to-person trading. So in person-to-person trading, you're directly buying off another person. The reason why people do this is to reduce costs, reduce the market costs. Usually you can get USDT or fiat currencies at a better price. So it is better to buy in person-to-person in those situations. Now, if you want to sell your crypto, you can simply click on person to person and click on sell over here and choose to sell your tokens. Or if you want to go into the spot trading section and begin trading, you can go into spot trading over here. And once you click on spot trading, you can see you have the trading charts. You can click on sell over here and enter the limit amount and the amount of the token you want to sell. Plus, you can click on the top left over here on your screen to choose any token that you want to sell or purchase. And this will be directly on the spot market, not on the basic order section you're trading. So in this way, you can begin trading on the spot market. You can do pretty much the same thing with selling as well on cross margin. And you can also do this with grid trading bots. You can short with grid trading bots in the futures market as well. And you also have fiat options where it leads you back to person-to-person trading. And you can also click on fast trade to buy USDT directly with Visa and MasterCard or third-party payment options as well. So these are all the basics of buying and selling on Kucoin. There are other options that are a bit more detailed, such as going ahead and creating trading bots. So you can create a bot to purchase your tokens for you. You can create a spot grid as well to complete grids over and over again, to do a couple of trades over and over again for you to be able to maximize your profits. Plus, you also have crypto lending options. So if you lend your crypto, so if you click on lend over here, click on enable margin trading, you can go on ahead and lend some of your crypto tokens that you might have, and this will give you interest in return. So this is another amazing way that you can go on ahead and make some more money. You're going to click on I have read these terms of service, enable margin trading. And now you can begin lending USDT. You can click on auto lend or basic lending features if you're not comfortable with lending automatically. And you can choose the terms, the daily rate, and so on and so forth to begin lending crypto to other crypto users on the Kucoin platform. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.